Hey, what's up guys, it's PK. You already know it's not a drop. Got that pizza planet. So I got the NKR PF1s here with the Federal RSR Pros. Actually gonna go to Tony Tires Club right now. So I already got the new wheels on the car. They're currently running A052's, but just for street driving, I'd rather run the RSR Pros. I'll save the A052's for the track. So let's go to Tony's Tire Club to get these unmounted. Bruh. Woo! Tony and his inventions, man. Look at this. He's over here spitting fire. Sheesh. I feel it, dude. That's crazy. I'm about to do slow-mo with you, boy. You feel peer pressure?
No, bitch.
Don't scratch it, fool. It's about to be your paycheck for the week. So I did run the A052's for a minute. If I wanted a street tire, this would be a great street tire if rain is not an issue for you, because they are really quiet compared to the Federals. But the Federals are half the price, so that's something you got to consider. At the Canyons, honestly, I felt a little bit better with these, but they were pretty much the same. I think where you could tell the difference between these is on the track. At least running the Federals on the track, I did notice once they got too hot, they weren't as grippy. And what I've heard from the A052's is it's consistently grippy until you just completely lose it. See what I mean, fellas? Cars for groceries. This is why you guys need a hatchback. Right, Tony? This is why you need a hatchback.
Good, man. I'm done with
You guys ready for the 11th gen or what? It's ugly. Gotta go back to work. Thanks again, man. Thanks, dude. Thanks again. There it is, buddies. Running them Federals again. Safety first. You okay there, baby? Everyone's good to go? All right, kids. Time to go back to work, kids. Come on. Daddy gotta go. Damn, look at Mr. FC1. You catching feelings? Cause I am. Shoot. Sheesh. Where's this man at? Is he even in the car or what? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe for more Type R content. Shout out to Tony's Tire Club. Hit them up if you guys need tires or help with mounting wheels. They're in Westminster. It's always great hanging out with you guys and catching up. Sick ass flamethrower, I mean exhaust. I don't want to, I don't know. But all right guys, make sure to subscribe. Laters.